So let's say that we just got a patient folder, which is this one right here, from a dentist or from a dental lab. And you know, they are using the same system, which is exocad, and we want to import this project, this folder, patient folder, into our exo. Okay, so first of all, of course, we gotta download the folder from our browser. And once we have our folder right here, what we gotta do, we gotta cat, and then we gotta save it into the CAD data, where exocad is saving all of our project. So mine is in C, CAD data, and then in this case, the Willie Dusser is the patient name, right? And the doctor is Gustavo, Dr. Gustavo. So I'm gonna just click on Dr. Gustavo, and into Dr. Gustavo folder, I'm gonna paste Will Dasher folder, okay? Right here. So everything is well organized. So now what we gotta do, we gotta import that project into exocad. So we are gonna click on exo, we're gonna open it, and if I'm gonna go to load, as you can see here in my menu, I don't have Willie Dusser, okay, and the client, which is the dentist, Dr. Gustavo. I don't see it because exocad is something new, okay? So we gotta import it. So we go in exocad project, okay? We go to our C, we go to CAD data, we go to Dr. Gustavo, and we have Willie Dasher, right? We click on it, and right here we have this .dental project file, which is basically the file that we need to open the entire project into exo. So we open it, and here we are. This is our project. So what we gotta do, we can save it, okay? And let's say now I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna reopen it again. Okay, of course, right now, if I'm looking to open that specific patient folder, I don't have to go to load, import project from here, exocad project. As you can see, is right here. Okay, so on my main menu. So I gotta just click on the patient, double click, and I open the project. So it's pretty easy. Hope it's gonna help you, and I'll see you in the next video.